Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah. Welcome to my channel. As you know that I do lots and lots of wonderful things and I like creative ventures. Especially I like to be very creatively involved with things that I love to do. And today's card, we come to Lenormand now. Back to business. Today's card is ship. The ship's meaning is longing, something that desire, that's kind of wishful thinking. Another meaning is if you have already seen the previous videos or if you already know some part of Lenormand, how does that work? You would know rider as a vehicle. Now ship can also mean a vehicle. It also is about trading, that is business. Ship is about ventures. Ship is about traveling. It is about longing, as I told you earlier. It can be an important card for self-employed people. So for work-related stuff, ship is a good card. It can also mean inheritance in some cases, which I have not read it till now. But I have known of that information. I have kept it aside because we are still in the journey, even though after practicing so many years. Sometimes some journeys are explored or evolved after a particular time. But I have kept that as an information. Maybe that meaning can be helpful for you more. As I told you, it can mean vehicle. It also can mean, because we are talking about traveling, it can literally mean, because ship is in the water. So it can mean you being on the ship or cruise or traveling through water, or maybe traveling by air, but it is kind of in a different continent. So these are the basic meanings for ship. I would write that down if I were you. If you're just starting, it would be a wonderful thing to write it down for yourself in a small mini notebook journal, because you're starting. So I would really suggest not to get ahead of ourselves, because it's such an exciting venture to learn these cards and learn metaphysics and learn esoteric sciences, that sometimes we just, being overexcited, we might want to do it all at the same time, which I understand very well because I'm coming from there. You remember? Alright, so today's card was done as ship. We'll meet next time with another card.